I'll drive. What are you doing?
Just making sure that everything's being recorded.
But what's the need?
Evidence, safety. And if the car faces any impact, the event mode auto-saves the footage right into the event folder.
What about if I come across something suspicious on the road?
Hit the emergency button of the Dashcam. It activates emergency recording.
That's one really smart feature. Let's capture it.
With On Demand, I can save videos straight to my gallery.
Cool.
You know, it also auto-creates time-lapse videos. Everything that's been recorded is also available in the time-lapse format in the vacation folder.
That sounds fun. Can I take pictures with it?
Yes, just tap Capture and it goes straight to Dashcam SD card.
And does it create prints too?
Okay, now you're asking for too much.